Hi, my name is Dee Warren. I'm the VP of Marketing for Landpride. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about our RG15 Series Grapple and our new RCF 2696 rotary cutter. On the front of this tractor, we've got our RG15. It's a root grapple. It's got a 36-inch opening, Landpride third function valve kit to run that. We have third function valve kits all the way from the BX tractor up to the MX tractor. We can supply that. Whatever Kubota tractor you're running, we can help you out there. On the back of this, we've got our new RCF 2696, 8 foot wide. It's got a 2-inch cutting capacity on it. It's got 12-inch deep deck so that you get a good clean cut with that high tip speed. Also, new for 2025, all of our gearboxes from our RC15 Series up to our 20-foot cutters have a 10-year gearbox warranty on them. Why are we doing that? Because we stand behind our products. It's going to help you invest in that and be sure that the money you spend on a new cutter is going to last you well into the future. Thank you. If you have more information, you can see both of these products at Landpride.com.